Hey beautiful people, this week is week 3 of the 1% challenge, the challenge that aims to make 100% difference in your life over 100 weeks. So hopefully achievable. Each 1% makes a small step towards a major difference in your life. And this week we're going to talk about intermittent fasting. What is that? Well, it's a way of splitting up the time of the day and eating during certain periods. The benefits of doing that are your body turns into a fat burning machine and starts to regulate things like blood pressure. It starts to regulate your blood sugars, and obviously done with some medical advice from your doctor. And also I recommend checking out Dr. Berg, a link I will put in the description of this video, who goes into the benefits of intermittent fasting. But the main one for me is increased focus, weight loss. It puts you into a state of ketosis. Look at that, a heron has just bullied the ducks off that island. We'll go back to him in a minute. And basically, intermittent fasting allows you to basically lose weight, but change your lifestyle so that your body is always kind of burning off toxins and regulating a lot better than it does with a traditional Western diet, which is usually packed with far too much sugar, far too much wheat, far too much carbohydrates, and essentially most of us put on weight because the diet's just not healthy. So we're going to focus on that on another one of our weeks. But basically I use an app called Zero to help me intermittent fast. Why? Because it helps gamify the whole thing. It tells me when I'm on a 7-day streak, but it also prompts me, you're an hour away from your next breaking of fast, or you're an hour away from being able to start, and it just reminds me and incentivizes me to keep going. So yeah, it tells me when I've done a 7-day streak, a 14-day streak, and sometimes I'm in such a good mood about it, I go for another 2 hours, and some people go for sort of 20 and 4, isn't it, or 18 and 6. They go for longer breaks. So the basic is 16 and 8. So if you skip breakfast but had, say, black coffee, black tea, herbal tea, water, those kind of things, and then had your first meal at, say, midday, then your next meal, the latest that you can eat that day, is 8 p.m. and finish eating by 8 p.m. That will ensure that your body starts the process, and I think it goes into ketosis, which is much more of a fat burning mode. And I know that people who intermittent fasted for long periods, as in months and years, and have changed their life to fit around intermittent fasting, say the health benefits are massive. Increased focus, maintaining good weight, they're less hungry all the time, so it dissipates your appetite, and it makes you way more food conscious, so you're then focused on what gives you proper energy. And like another one of my 1% will be changing the diet, removing alcohol, cheeses, creams, sugars, all those sorts of things. So this week though, it's intermittent fasting, and I recommend using Zero. And check out Dr. Berg. He's a very well thought of doctor who talks about the benefits of intermittent fasting. So if you want the whole list of my 1% challenge, check the playlist on YouTube as it builds up, but also there's a link in the description called the 1% list. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.